tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today I am show you how to delete Blogger post image in 2022. This is a very easy method to delete Blogger post image. Let's start. Follow me step by step. First, open your Blogger account. Open Blogger account. This is my website. This is my website, AS Technology Information. I am create best technology blogs. Please visit my website. I will give you the link in the description. Please visit my website. Go Blogger settings. Open Blogger post, and I am change this image. Right click in image and click inspect and open image HTML coding. This is the all HTML coding. Select image HTML coding. Right click and click delete element, and image is deleted. And I am upload new image. Go to Blogger post, reload your page. Oops, I am not update. Click update button and update successfully, and reload again this page, and image is uploaded. Please visit my website, AS Technology Information. like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.